In a 10th Central Committee meeting on Wednesday, President E.D. Mnangagwa issued a thinly veiled warning to his Deputy Vice President Constantino Chiwenga and his allies. Samida mashoko anobuda nyuko pana vazhinji aiwa Mnangagwa wipes out Chiwenga to subscribe or like on the bell kuti pina mzimu aivanyora vachiti. The message, delivered with a calculated precision, came amidst intensifying speculation that Chiwenga may be positioning himself to challenge Mnangagwa's continued leadership beyond 2028. According to sources close to the ruling party, Mnangagwa's initial agreement to step aside for Chiwenga after serving 2 terms has since evaporated, setting the stage for a fierce internal battle. The ZANU-PF conference, which started Wednesday, is expected to be a pivotal moment in the conflict, with many anticipating a political bloodbath as rival factions within the party face off. In what was widely interpreted as a direct swipe at Chiwenga, Mnangagwa used his speech at the Central Committee to stress the importance of loyalty and adherence to the party values. We've always rejected any practices and conduct that are inconsistent with our values and regulations as outlined in the party's constitution, he declared, questioning against waywardness in what seemed like a stern rebuke aimed at his deputy's camp. Thomas Kwanabura nyuko panapa nokumana wemuzimu aya vachiexpose mashoko akataurwa aya aiva mawarning ekuti aiwa vakomana varida kuzama kustopa vanoenda against the current leader aripo vakomana ivavo aiwa the government kana kuti vakomana military kana malaw enforcement officers vanenge vari responsible navo. Ibotuze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi pina comment section medu. So no subscribe or like, so turn on the bell icon.